Assalamu alaikum, my name is Noreen Fatima. I hold a master's degree in Urdu literature. I also have a professional teaching certificate. I am a senior Urdu teacher with over 15 years of teaching experience in OA level, IGCSE, and international education system. I have been associated with Beacon House School System for several years. I have also served there as an Urdu coordinator. I believe in creating a modern learning environment. It aligns with effective and contemporary teaching methods. My goal is to make learning engaging, supportive, and result-oriented. Experience in curriculum development, digital teaching, teacher training, and using AI tools to enhance learning. I focus on designing student-centered lessons that improve understanding and results. I also support teachers in adopting modern strategies to make learning more engaging and effective. I am the author of 2 Urdu books. I am currently writing a new book for the updated O-level Urdu syllabus, a Code 3247, for 2026 onward. I work as an educational content writer and run an educational YouTube channel called Urdu Come Online. My professional journey includes several awards, such as Best Teacher Award, 15 Years Service Award, ISA Award, Certificates of Excellence, Best Writer and Director Award at the Rafi Peer Theatre Festival, and some others. I have been actively involved in county curricula and literary activities, including debates, drama, and organizing Urdu Week events. I am also an active member and contributor to Bazm-e-Urdu Club. I have led students in inter-school competitions and guided them to achieve strong results. I have organized writing workshops to improve creative and critical skills. I support students in public speaking and stage confidence. I work closely with teams to plan and execute successful school events. My aim is to help every student learn and use Urdu with confidence and fluency. I am confident that my qualifications, experience, and passion for teaching will add value to your institution. I believe in creating a modern, engaging, and result-oriented learning environment. My focus is on building student confidence and fluency in Urdu through interactive, creative, and effective teaching methods that inspire a love for the language. I started my teaching career in 2005 and have worked with reputable institutions. I have also taught students from the UAE and other countries online. This experience strengthened my global perspective and enhanced my ability to adapt to diverse learning needs. It also helped me apply effective teaching strategies across different curricula and student backgrounds. Thank you for your time and consideration. Allah Hafiz.